Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Fabian Jensen, I'm a colorist and also part of the ShotCompare team. And today I'm gonna explain how to use ShotCompare as an embedded player for a website, and we're gonna create and generate everything you need for this. But before that, let me show you a few examples of our own website. So now we are on our website called thecgc.de. First, we've got the color grading section where we use the embedded ShotCompare player, which can play two videos simultaneously to show the improvement made by our color grading. And of course, the player offers various functions as well, like full screen mode or setting the slider line to transparent mode for even better comparability. And as you can see, there's a little scar on the left side here. It got retouched. So, in my opinion, the embedded SC player is a great tool to make a website stand out even more. And I think they also look very clean, because I don't have any control options unless I go into this image, and just makes a good impression. Now let's get started and create your first embedded SC player. First, we go to shotcompare.com. After logging in, the default project will open automatically. And here you can upload your before and after videos or any two different videos which you want to embed as a comparison on your website later. To embed the ShotCompare player with your two videos, click on Embed Code on the Action menu. Now the preview of the SC player opens with some options for customization. For example, you are able to change the brightness of the slider line or insert before-after titles on top of the player. When you are happy with the look of the SC player, click on Generate Embed Code. Now there's only one main step for you to take. Copy the CSS code as you can see here. The code contains your video and also guarantees that the iframe on the website looks exactly as the player in the customization section. Now insert the CSS code onto the desired page, right where you want your SC player to appear on the website. And just like this, we embedded our before and after videos onto our website. And if you want to change the videos again after they have been embedded into the website, you can do this very easily without having to create or insert new code. The video pair with its embed code will be displayed on the Manage Embeds page. After embedding codes, keep things organized and write the URL of the web page in the description field. This way you'll always know in which pages you've embedded your videos. The embedded ShotCompare player can be used as freeware with the signature overlay on the videos. The signature can be removed by license subscription. For more information, please visit shotcompare.com. Now let's get started. Go ahead and create your own SC player. And as always, if you want to keep yourself updated on the topic, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.